Get acquainted with the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado HD. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. The all-new Silverado builds on its heritage with an improved bed design, increased cargo capacity, customizable technology, refined comfort and safety features, and even bolder strength. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, keyless entry, navigation system, 8-cylinder engine, fog lamps, backup camera, keyless start, remote engine start, satellite radio, heated mirrors. Feel confident and relaxed in the all-new Silverado. Take it out for a road test and fall in love.